There we go. Kraton EXB version 2. Gonna get out here and do some bashing. This is a little bit different section of the park than I usually launch. I think it's a little steeper here, but we'll see how that works out. Nice. This thing shoots you straight up in the air now. How you doing?
Very cool.
Thanks. It's fun. Whoop. Oh, barely pulled that off. So this new section is pretty good. This is for serious height. Might have to do this more often. So I just made a video about this version 2 EXB, comparing it with what the version 3 updates would be. So I figured what better time than go launch it after that. Sweet. Oh. Yes. Let's get some huge air here. I probably should have done a double. Back up a bit. There's a beast. So fast. It wants to just wheelie. What is this thing doing? Got some sort of timer on? I don't know what this is. Here we go, full speed. That is sick. I was a little sketchy standing in front of the ramps when I launched this. Don't want to hit myself. EXB Arrmatough. That was stupid. What? Well, I better find that nut. I'm glad that happened on the ground and not in the air. I think when I hit the ramp cockeyed, that loosened up that wheel. It did look a little loose. Like finding a needle in a haystack. It could be anywhere. I need to bring my metal detector when I come out here. Oh well, that was fun while it lasted, guys. Nothing major broke, and I love this EXB. It's kind of a tie between this and the version 6, I think, for my favorite truck right now. So hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. Tune in for the next one. Thanks.